Employers are seeking job seekers with a mix of attributes and behaviours called soft skills. Regardless of how strong your technical skills are, if you're not great at collaborating, communicating, problem solving, or change, it'll be hard to progress at work. But don't worry, these skills can be learned. The 7 soft skills employers look for are teamwork, problem solving, communication, adaptability, critical thinking, time management, and interpersonal skills. Good employees put their team first by delivering on responsibilities, helping colleagues, sharing knowledge, and listening to others. Effective problem solvers research processes and complexities and then brainstorm solutions. Good communicators know their audience. They stick to the point, use clear and concise language, they're empathetic and they're active listeners. Adaptable employees embrace change. They plan, focus on positives, aren't afraid to step outside of their comfort zone, and establish new routines. Critical thinkers analyse and review a problem from different angles, consider multiple points of view, and keep an open mind to find the best possible outcome. Excellent time managers prioritise the urgent and most important. They schedule their days and commit while keeping some flexibility. People with great interpersonal skills are active listeners. They have a high level of emotional intelligence, they're good collaborators and resolve conflicts. You can develop any soft skill. Acknowledge where you need to improve, then commit to learning. Ask a mentor or friend for advice on areas for improvement, and ask your boss or a colleague to share any feedback or tips. And then practice. For more advice and templates to secure a new job, visit hayes.com.au. Good luck.